Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I have a new question. And the question is, hi everyone, Performance Max not converting in the USA. I run an online store in Australia for over 7 years. Our marketing has changed a lot over the year, and recently our focus is on Performance Max campaigns feed only. It works really well for our store. That's very good. Note we use feed only on most campaigns, work similar to old smart shopping. Last year, I tried to launch a similar store in the USA. We were running in Australia before. Okay, so I did a lot of research and I understand the market well there, which for this particular product range would be similar to Australian market. We offer mid-range products, more expensive than Amazon, but much cheaper than known brands. It's a specific niche in the campaign camping industry. Camping. I launched my Performance Max for this brand new store in the USA. I got a few conversions in the first month, then nothing. Lots of clicks, zero conversions, just wasted $1,000 over 2 months. In insights or why I analyzed the keywords, product descriptions. I assume it's a descriptions, photos, website performances. So assuming there is no issue with that, it's all the same as our Australian store. We have stocks in the USA. Here are two possible reasons I can think. Amazon is a lot stronger in the USA. People are more used to quick deliveries and cheap options, so it's harder to compete. The store is new and needed more time for Performance Max to learn. 2 months is not enough. Maybe I should start with the standard Google Shopping instead of Performance Max feed only. I want to try to launch the store again this year, but unsure what changes are needed. Any advice is welcome. Okay, so that's a pretty long question. So let me answer your question as well. Okay, so you said that you did a lot of research and I understand the market well over there. How did you done the research? I do have questions on how, what kind of research you did. If you had any particular competitors look inside who are successful, or if you had a research on your products, like your products are successful. I like to know more on this, like how did you select your products? Okay, and I mean your research, and because you said that you launched Performance Max campaigns and you got a few conversions in the first month, then nothing. Okay, did you change anything? If not, you look around on have you done any changes? But more than this, I believe that the Performance Max campaigns do not have much data. I do not like much on Performance Max. I would rather shift to as you told that Google Shopping, I would rather shift over there because that is where I'm going to get the data, and because I'm a marketer and I need the data to see what is converting well for you. So I need more data, more tracking, more analytics. I would see use install heat map to see where people have focus on my landing page. I would also need to optimize my landing page. Okay, because you also said that $1,000 over 2 months. I believe that the $1,000 over 2 months is a very less amount, not huge amount to be judged on. So the amount you have said is very low. So I would rather spend a lot over here to see what's working well for us. And because you said that you are working on the keywords, product description, so that's good that you're working on these issues. Now, because you said that Amazon is a lot stronger in the USA. Yes, Amazon is a very huge brand in USA for e-commerce sales. People are more used to quick delivery. If I mean you are not working on quick delivery, hold a second. You are not working. I mean, quick delivery is one of the very important aspects of a marketing strategy. So, guys, work on a quick delivery, and also, that as being told, like you have a cheap option. So, yeah, for cheap options, I would rather say that if you are doing branding, then you can compete with the cheap options, but unless otherwise you cannot. And the store is new and needed more time for Performance Max. Okay, I would say that you need more budget. So my recommendation is to offer the more budget. And my third is maybe I should start with the Google Shopping campaign. My recommendation is to start with the Google Performance Max shopping campaign, and that could certainly generate more sales. So yeah, this was this. But in case if you need a professional help and a professional audit, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we can help you in creating an awesome Google Shopping campaign or even a Google Performance Max campaign. So in case if you need our services, you are more than welcome to hire us. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and make sure to like and share this video as well. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.